Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most basic and important Java programs, how to find the sum of digits of a number. This is a very popular question in campus placements, technical interviews, and beginner coding practice because it tests your understanding of loops and mathematical operations. Let's break it down step by step. For example, uh, suppose the user enters a number like 121. The digits are 1, 2, and 1. If we add them, we should get the output 4. Our task is to make the computer perform this addition automatically. Okay, we'll do that first. I already created sum of digits one class. First, we'll create one scanner class for the input from the user. We'll input scanner class. I'm assigning it to num. And after taking number as input from the user using a scanner class, we need to create a variable called sum to store the total of all digits. So in sum equal to, I'm initializing it to 0. And also I'm taking one more variable, temp. And in that temp, I'm storing user input value, num. Now we'll use a while loop. Inside the loop, we'll extract last digit using this while loop. Now we'll write while temp not equals to 0. If it is not 0, go inside, and we should first extract the last digit using something int digit equals to 10 percentile 10. Here we'll extract last digit. If we are taking example as 121, here we are extracting reminder, that is 1. And we'll store it in sum plus equals to digit. Here we are adding this digit to sum, adding to sum. Okay, now we'll remove that last digit from temp. We'll add one print statement here. Enter a number. Sum of digits in a number is, we are storing in sum, no? Sum we can write. Okay. Now we'll try to run this. We should get the output as 4 because we are adding 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1. That is 4. I'm entering 121. You can see output 4. Like that we can do. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple Java programs. Thank you. Thank you all.